wood-fired oven, the Verona. Let's see how we get a fire established inside it. I'm trying to film. Yeah, look, trying to film. Hey, I'm Jack from Jack's Meat Shack, and today we're getting to grips with the Verona wood-fired oven from the Alfresco chef. Today we're just going to light a fire inside it and cook a pizza and show you how simple it is to use. So let's get in.
So we're going to start off by building a fire in the centre of our oven. We're using kiln dried logs from the Alfresco chef, and we're also going to use a product called a Woodson fire lighter. This is designed to get your fire going within 5 minutes, and what you're going to do is let it burn for around 20 minutes before cooking anything inside the oven. So we're going to light this now with a torch and let the fire establish. Remember folks, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and we have new content every week, so hit that bell and you won't miss a video.
Our fire's looking pretty established now, so what we're going to do is use the hook to move the logs into the left hand side of the oven, so then the heat will radiate around the rest of the oven. Let's do it.
Here I'm just using the brush to remove a lot of the ash from the base of the oven, because we're going to cook some pizzas on this later on. As you can see, the fire in our oven has reached a temperature of 350 degrees Celsius. This is ideal for cooking pizzas. Today we're using dough from the Northern Dough Company, and we're just topping it with a really simple tomato sauce made from canned tomatoes and garlic liquidized. We're then going to top it with the toppings of our choice. Today I'm going for mushroom, some cured meat and some mozzarella. A little tip from me as well: before you put your dough on your pizza peel, coat it with semolina or a coarse cornmeal. This will allow your dough to move around freely and not stick to the peel. So when it becomes time to put your pizza in the oven, it won't stick and ruin your pizza. Depending on your cooking conditions, you should be able to achieve a Neapolitan style pizza in around 90 seconds in this oven. But please do bear in mind, depending on the toppings of your pizza, for example, if you're using raw meat or anything like that, your cooking time will increase. So just be mindful when cooking your pizza. And all we're going to do now is use the pizza peel to place the pizza into the oven and wait for it to cook. As you can see, the dial is at 400 degrees Celsius. The oven's super hot, so this pizza should cook in no time at all. What I'm going to do though is keep on rotating it, because I want an even cooking around the pizza and cook up that edge of the pizza dough. So in around 90 seconds or so, we should have a perfect pizza. And there we have it, pizza cooked in the Alfresco chef's Verona oven, and all we're going to do to finish it off is drizzle a little bit of barbecue sauce over the top. Thanks for joining me again on the channel, and I'll see you all next week for some more cooking action. Bye bye.